Listen, you guys, if you are selling online, then you know context, it is everything. Today, I'm actually going to show you how to target two completely different audiences with the same exact products and how to get a full set of pro level listing images just with one prompt. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, once you officially get signed in to what is known as Design Kit, I want you guys to understand that the overall dashboard is pretty simple and easy to understand. You guys can see right here your e-commerce design AI agent, and this is actually really cool. I'm going to show you how it works in just a few moments, but you guys will see that they do have a lot of tools such as AI photo editor, we got background remover, we got AI object remover. We even have image enhancer, and we even have AI background generator. So as mentioned, you guys, there's a lot of cool things here. You can actually see some of the listing images so far that have been created, which is pretty awesome. Scrolling down, you guys can even see stuff right here, like a before and after. So I have to admit, I do like this a lot. Okay. Alrighty. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys to get yourselves logged in to Design Kit using that link down below. You guys are going to see here is the dashboard. You guys can see you have many different options up here, which is actually pretty cool. So in this case, we're just going to click this and you can see generate a full listing image set. In this case, we're going to go ahead and kind of change this up. We're going to do a full listing image set in a Cyberpunk Neon City style. Let's see what else we got here. Blue and purple lighting. All right. And then the image, let's just kind of change this. We're actually going to use some headphones here so you guys can see how easy and simple this is, right? So that is literally all you have to do there, okay? And then once you have your image uploaded, you can actually choose the different models. So right here, we have images, right? So we can actually do like the Nano Banana Pro, we got the Nano Banana, we got the 2, we got the Mid Journey, we got Seed Ream, we even have Seed Edit. So a lot of different opportunities here. We're just going to do like the Nano Banana Pro. Let's just do that. And after that, you're going to click on send. Okay. So once you officially hit on send, you guys are going to see that this thing is going to go ahead and start generating. All right. And there's a good chance it's probably going to be asking you some questions before it provides you a full set of images. But I want you guys to understand right now, I mean, this, like I stated, is great. All right, good opportunity. It's a great tool. So you guys can see right here, I'll help you create a cyberpunk themed product image set with blue and purple neon lighting for your listing, and let me work on that now. Okay, so there, once again, this is the plain image of the headphones. Okay, so now I want you guys to understand it is currently working. All right, the AI is working and it is doing its magic. Okay, which is actually pretty cool. All right. So literally only takes a few seconds, as mentioned, typically up to about a minute, and then it is good to go. All right. So you can even select right here to create a full e-commerce listing image tailored to your target market. I need a couple more details. So we have target country slash region, and then we even have target language. So for example, let's just do like USA, and we're going to do English. That is what we're going to put here. Okay. So I want you guys to understand, I mean, it's going to offer a colorful background image, right? Not only that, but I want you guys to understand that this right here, this is your high energy gamer ad designed to stop the scroll on TikTok, or let's even say on Instagram. And you guys are going to be super impressed with this overall creation, at least in my opinion. All right. So there we go. We got to select, right? So we're just going to go ahead and click on continue. And you guys can see basically asking select generated image type. So we got the main image, we got icon feature image, we got special effects, we got material image, we got person and scene image, we got person and scene image again. So outdoor, home gaming scenario, multi-angle image, right? So technically we just clicked on everything right there, right? So estimated time is telling us it's about 41 seconds. All right. So once again, you guys are going to be able to do this literally within a few minutes, and that is it. And you don't have to do like anything else at all. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, literally after waiting just a few minutes, a full set of images have been developed. You heard that correct. And if we actually take a look here on the very far left, you guys can see exactly everything that has been going on here. Now, I'm going to tell you, probably takes up to about 1 minute for each image to process. So if we actually take a look here, you guys are going to see that we do have obviously our original picture, right? Then after that, you guys can see right here, we have immersive audio experience, active noise cancellation. We got 30-hour playtime. We got Bluetooth 5.3. And we even have ergonomic design, right? Then over here, we got block out the noise, enjoy pure sound anywhere. Once again, noise cancellation, pure sounds, right? So you guys can see that. So we got this little bubble, which is actually pretty cool. Over here, we got premium comfort, breathable fabric, headband. We even got soft memory foam ear pads. I like that, right? So it kind of zooms in close to the qualities. And you guys can see right here, we got some models, wearing them and checking it out. So he's obviously playing a game. Don't look like he's looking at the screen, but still, whatever. It looks good. This one looks pretty dope as well. And then this one you guys can see from all different angles. So I like that. Okay. So pretty easy and simple, you guys, right? So you guys can, once again, just kind of do this and that's all you got to do, right? So pretty dope, right? Now, if we go back to Design Kit, you guys, we're actually going to go ahead and just we're going to use those same headphones. Okay. That's exactly what we're going to do. And then after that, we're just going to go ahead and put, another prompt here. All right. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. We're going to generate a full listing image set of headphones resting on a clean white desk next to a laptop and a coffee cup. All right. So obviously we're definitely being a little bit more specific here, right? So we're going to go ahead and click on send. And once again, it's going to go through the same little process here, going to generate, right? So let's kind of just give it a few minutes. Alrighty. So ladies and gentlemen, coming at it again with our second and final design. Now, as you guys saw, it's super easy to put in another prompt, and you guys will see right here is all of our images. We got immersive experience, premium sound, all day comfort, a long battery life, seamless connectivity. We even have crystal clear calls. I like that. Studio grade sound, ultra soft comfort, so no fatigue, even after 8 hours of wear. You heard that correct. All right. So you guys, I want you guys to understand, I mean, this right here, this is your productivity asset. It's perfect for targeting professionals on, let's say, LinkedIn, on your website, a lot of different places. So you guys can clearly see exactly how this thing works. All right. So remember, you guys, I mean, you can look at the ear pads, you can see like all of the details here. You can see like how people charge it. Not only that, they even have like the Bluetooth thing, like how to turn it up, right? How to turn it down, like the volume and etc. All right. So I want you guys to understand, you don't need to learn any type of 3D rendering to get this tech shot. Okay. I want you guys to understand that, which is actually pretty dope. All right. Well, also, you guys, I want you guys to understand, I mean, right here, I mean, Design Kit, I mean, it technically lets you run 2 specific campaigns using the same product. Okay. Very important you guys understand that. So technically, you actually double your potential market, right? We're talking about gamers and workers without doubling your content budget. Technically did everything right here, all right, which is actually pretty cool. Now, I also want you guys to understand, I mean, there's a lot of other things that you can actually do with this. So, for example, like with your tools, as you guys already saw, like we made those, but I want you guys to understand, I mean, there's a lot of other things that you can do as well. For example, let's say like you want to resize, right? You can actually resize this stuff. Very important you guys understand that. Not just that, you can see right here, we have the remover, we got split layers, background remover, AI extender, we got crop, AI clarity, right? Replace text, AI editing. Okay. So you can resize these, right? So obviously you can make things like into like, let's say like Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails as well. And also I want you guys to understand, I mean, there's just clearly a lot of stuff here. As you guys saw, super easy and simple to get started. Just upload an image and then put something in the prompt, right? Put a prompt. That's all you have to do. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We got Design Kit. So stop limiting your sales to just one type of customer. Get the expensive look for free. Click the link down below, you guys, in the description, and let Design Kit's AI agent do the work for you. Not only that, but also be sure to smash up that like button and that subscribe button. We will see you guys in the next video.